Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we'll be looking at the direction, the trend, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And as we were talking about this thing in the yesterday's video, that the price has already reached to the resistance level of 22,600. So this is the resistance level. We were talking about the price. Basically, it was very near yesterday. It was trading very near to this particular resistance, and see the momentum here. Now two things I just wanted to discuss. One, the price is again not able to hold up this resistance level. That is a big confirmation that the price will fall, and that is the fall that we have seen yesterday. Also, if you look at this 100 EMA level, so again the price is not able to hold up this level as well. So if the price is basically not trading higher or closing higher than these two things, then definitely we will be having a fall. And that's the reason yesterday the price actually it fell down. I think it was around how much, 10%. Yes, so the price only in one day from the resistance we have seen the level of support level. So support our support was at 20,000, and it closed at 20,177, which is very near, and even it made a low of 19,862. So which clearly telling me that now the price is trading at the support level. So today also, if you look at here, there is a very less activity going on. Yesterday we have seen a good fall in the US market as well. That could be the reason here. And so again this level 20,000, the price is just taking a support here. We might able to see that the price from here starts moving upside. And again if because after a good fall in the US market yesterday, so we are assuming that today once the market opens, so we will see some kind of profit booking or some kind of upside momentum today in the market. And that's the reason we will see that we might not expect further fall in the Bitcoin as well. So yes, of course the price is at support, so we can see that the price holds up this level, and we might able to see that little bit upside momentum. Still I'm taking the resistance at 22,600 and support at 20,000 for the Bitcoin. Now if I look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum was also down, and since there were multiple reasons, so it was showing downside momentum from 11th of September, I think just 2 days back. So yes, this price was at the resistance, and yesterday again it fell down by 8%. So this is the resistance we were talking about. Still we can take this resistance. This is a level of 1725, and we can take the support of 1510. So now the price is coming slightly towards the support level. One interesting thing which we can see that if we talk about the Bitcoin, so in just one day we can see a fall till the support level, so from the resistance till the support level. But now in case of the Ethereum, the price was also at the resistance, but now it's falling. We have seen a fall, but the fall is not that much. The price is still trading higher than the support level, so price still having some gap, some scope, or some room to reach to the support level. So that will be interesting to see where the price can go, because as of now, looking at the current candle, nothing is clear. So we may able to see a support level, and then we might able to decide what gonna happen. So yes, the price might able, or the price will come to the support level of 1510. So this is for we can expect to the for the Ethereum. So now I think these are the levels, this is the direction that we can expect. And if you are liking this video, liking this content, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the hit the notification bell icon, or click on the bell icon, so that you don't miss out anything in future. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.